Hello, today I want to show you some hand spinners that I've been working on. So I've been watching some videos on hand spinners and I've been thinking about making my own. So obviously the easiest way and probably the most sensible way is to buy some skate bearings and to print a hand spinner and put the bearings in there. But I've always really loved the gear bearings that designed by Thingiverse user Emmett. So I wanted to see if I could make some hand spinners using the gear bearings. So I've made 3 attempts, so I'll show you each of them and talk about how they worked. Alright, so this is the first one that I made. So this is like really basic. I literally just took one of the pre-configured gear bearings that Emmett has, and then I just made some sharp shuriken-esque wings on it, and I've kept Emmett's little name tag there. And let's show you how it spins. Like, obviously it doesn't spin as well as a metal bearing, but it doesn't spin too bad. Like, it's pretty smooth. Yeah. So kind of seeing that it worked, I thought I'd try to make some other designs, because this one, it's not that comfortable to hold. Like, I thought a shuriken would be cool, but the pointy corners doesn't make it something you really want to hold in your hand and play around with. So next I tried to make one that I thought would be the ideal dimensions. I made this one pretty thin, so it's only about a centimeter thick. And it's basically a gear bearing, and then after the gear bearing I've added the these fins on it, and I've made them tapered and stuff, and I've also made like a little cap for the middle there, so it doesn't spin too bad either. Like I think if I work it some more, like keep using it, it'll probably spin even more smoothly, but it's not too bad. So after printing it, I kind of used the Allen key and just wrenched it into motion, and once it kind of got moving, then I actually stuck a electric drill in there and just like had that spin it like really fast and work it, and that kind of helped loosen up a lot. So definitely, if you're going to print one, I suggest using a drill to help loosen it up. So it can definitely still need a bit more loosening up, but it's not too bad, and you know, for a purely plastic 3D printed toy, it's pretty good. And then the only thing with this thin one, I actually really like the dimensions. It feels good to hold and everything, but it was actually really hard to free it up. Like, I found like the Allen key was losing its teeth, and it was just really hard, and I ended up needing to put paper into the core to like make the grip on the Allen key just that little bit tighter to break it, to start it moving. So then I kind of went back to some of the Emmett's original configurations and redesigned one with kind of almost the same bearing configuration as one of the defaults. So this one's pretty much straight off the printer, so I haven't had much time to work it loose yet, so it doesn't spin as freely as the other one, but still doesn't spin too bad. And probably if I keep spinning it, it'll get looser. And then I haven't made a cap for this one yet either, and I'll probably do that too. But this one was much easier to spin loose, so I pretty much just put in a regular Allen key and just gave it a hard twist, and then it came loose. I put the drill in just for a tiny bit, but I should probably put the drill in for a bit more to loosen it up a little bit more. But this one's probably easier to print, I would say. Like this one, I like the dimensions more. I mean, it's subtly different, I think, but it was really hard to kind of get going. This one was much easier to get going, so this is probably the safer print. So I'll be putting both this one and this one up on Thingiverse. So if you feel like making a fully 3D printed hand spinner without a skate bearing, you can give it a go. Thanks for watching.